Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohar, and I'm not gonna lie, my naughty and to-do list are the same thing because I am the party monster, back out the monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I got a very special impromptu mystery unboxing for you guys. This one actually just showed up at my door as I was leaving to work. I saw it and everything, and yeah, I honestly have no idea where it comes from. I'm just gonna go ahead and make the assumption it came from Beatbox, because I know they were doing some like gift giving things and everything on their app and whatnot. But honestly, I have no idea where it comes from. It's just pure speculation at this point. So we're gonna unbox it together. But before we do all that, if you guys haven't already, do yourself a favor and a favor for your boy as well. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Monster Club. If you guys want to give me any gift for Christmas, it is a subscription. It does mean the world to me. And yes. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, since I kind of have an idea what it might be, we're actually not going to be doing a toast in this video. So if that's your guys' thing, I am super sorry, but we will be getting back to it in future videos. But anyway, I got my box cutter, Tiffany. I got my box. And I'm not going to lie guys, this thing has some weight to it. Like, this thing ain't light by any means. So anyway, let's get right into it. Hopefully I can cut whatever the product was. Okay, so I am definitely right. It is from the good folks over at Beatbox. Let's just get that thumbnail real quick. Check it out, check it out. And it says, Beatbox, go hard for the holidays. Boom, I appreciate it. I hope the drink itself didn't leak and everything. But anyway, again, major shout outs to Beatbox. I love you guys so much. You guys have been amazing this year. I do appreciate you guys. But let's take a look what's inside said box. Ooh, okay, Beatbox. Let's see what y'all did here. Okay. So first and foremost, they gave your boy a really dope Santa hat. Check it out. Beatbox for the win. They gave me an ornament as well. Again, love you, Beatbox. This might be a challenge in future videos. And it says holiday recipe. Part sparkling wine, part Beatbox, cheer, note card, and everything. More importantly, they sent your boy some merch. Like, they sent me a hoodie. Check it out. Y'all see it first. I haven't even seen it yet. But it says Merry Litmus and Seasons Yeetings. Wow, okay. That's cool because it is my favorite Beatbox. On the top, it is the Blue Ras. For those that don't know, I drink it pretty much anytime you see me drinking a Beatbox on this channel, it is Blue Ras for the most part. But more importantly, let's just check this out. They sent your boy some love. They have 6 Beatbox in here. You got Blue Ras, again, my favorite. You got Hard Tea, Tropical. Yeah, let me kind of turn this so you guys can get a better view of it. Check it out. And there are more on the other side. Probably my second favorite, Pink Lemonade, Juicy Mango, and of course, you can't ever go wrong with Fruit Punch. Your boy is super blessed right now. Like, I'm so excited with this right now. Like, thank you guys so much for Beatbox. I cannot say that enough. Like, Beatbox, you guys truly are the GOATs. Like, y'all are the best in the world. Like, thank you guys so much for just putting up with me this year. Like, appreciate y'all. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for this unboxing. Again, much love to Beatbox for blessing your boy and everything. But if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And more importantly, can't stress this part enough. If you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on X at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. But until then, remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on. Love you, Beatbox. Peace. Bye.